Hey guys, we got an older 15 kW Briggs Stratton generator we're working on today. The generator has not been doing its exercises. Open the lid and the set exercise button was flashing, and after we reset that, we tried the manual override crank. Watch what it does here. You'll hear it make a little clicking noise and the screen will turn off and come back on. Get your multimeter out and go to the voltage DC option. Put the leads on the positive and negative post terminals on your battery, and with another hand somehow, do the manual override. Your battery should be around 13 volt. If it drops a significant amount, change the battery. Your generator tech.